The SHIJIEEZ Portable Air Conditioner delivers an impressive 16,000 BTU cooling power, designed to rapidly cool rooms up to 700 square feet. I have provided the link to this portable air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. This unit is ideal for a variety of living spaces, including open-concept rooms, basements, and home offices, offering precise temperature control from 61 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks to its inverter compressor technology, it not only cools efficiently but also reduces energy consumption by up to 30% compared to traditional air conditioners. One of the standout features of this portable air conditioner is its versatility. It functions as more than just a cooling device, offering 6 distinct modes: cooling, a 3-speed circulation fan, sleep mode, dry mode which acts as a dehumidifier, and an automatic mode that adjusts settings for optimal comfort. This flexibility makes it suitable for year-round use, managing heat in the summer while controlling humidity in damp environments. The turbo fan enhances air circulation by moving air 30% faster than standard units, ensuring consistent comfort throughout the room. Smart home integration enhances convenience, allowing you to control the unit remotely via the SHIJIEEZ app on iOS and Android devices. You can set schedules, monitor energy usage, and receive maintenance notifications. Compatibility with Alexa voice commands adds hands-free ease, so adjusting the temperature is as simple as speaking. Additionally, the unit operates quietly at just 45 decibels, quieter than a typical library, making it perfect for nighttime use or work environments. Mobility is another key benefit. The air conditioner features commercial-grade 360-degree rolling casters and reinforced side handles, making it easy to move between rooms without hassle. The universal window installation kit fits both vertical and horizontal openings ranging from 20 to 59 inches, eliminating the need for permanent setup or modifications to your home. The SHIJIEEZ portable air conditioner also includes patented HydroFlow technology that automatically evaporates condensation, so you won't have to worry about draining water manually. This feature works effectively even in high humidity conditions, keeping your space dry and comfortable without interruption. Overall, this unit combines power, smart technology, quiet operation, and portability to deliver a superior cooling solution tailored to modern living needs.